690, Bombs for Josh, Part 40. We're stubbing in a new system called RULBOMB. That's rules for bombs, and we're on the fast playlist on Kanji Coder. If you want a longer explanation of why we're doing what we're doing, go here to Ninja Coder. We don't have time here. We're going to review the 690 deltas. Anything with a 690 in the margins, source code is here. Let's go down here. So, first of all, in the system index, we stubbed in RULBOMB beneath RULGEOM. RULBOMB is chronologically the 48th system. In dependency order, it is 6. Right beneath RULGEOM, which is in dependency order 5 in our dependency chain. Let's go down here. Top level constant macros. We added some more tags to find the section. And then in this random ass section of top level constants, I've added a little footnote here where I'm saying that these discrete unit inset variables that are down here, all of these, we're going to avoid using them, and we're going to use CRULBOMB_DUI in any new shader. That's a rough note. There's some other kind of more subtle things about that, but for the most part, we're going to use this when we're writing new code, and I'm just marking this as legacy code, but we're going to keep it because we're not touching any of the old shaders, and the old shaders need these variables to run. Okay, top level lookup tables, added some tags to find this section as well. And then in the RULBOMB constant section, beneath the RULGEOM constant section, we have put some notes here. You can pause to read those. We don't have time. And then down here, you can pause to read my justification for using 512. And then right here, here's our constant. Here's our constant. Constant RULBOMB discrete unit inset 512. So all tiles, no matter what power of 2 tile we're using, it will always be inset on the edges by 512 discrete units on all sides. That's what this variable is for. Down here is the top level variable data for RULBOMB. There's nothing in here right now. And then here is the RULBOMB function section. I don't think anything will ever go in here, but we need to have this section for consistency. The 48 right here stands for chronologically the 48th system. And then we have footnotes and stuff that we don't have time to go over. You can go over these footnotes in the longer videos. And here's what we did in this video. And a longer explanation is here. You are here on Kanji Coder. Technical demos are here, source code, and ways to get a hold of me. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game.